and welcome back. This is Fuzzee Tutorials and my name is Dave. Today's quick tip is how to find the advanced settings for your YouTube channel. Here you can do things like edit your name and profile pic, enter channel keywords, edit analytics settings, and turn showing subscriber counts on or off, plus a few other things. I will include step-by-step instructions in the description below. So for this quick tip, we're starting with your home page. So we click your profile icon in the upper right corner and we choose or select your channel, and then we click the customize channel button here. And then over here under your channel header on the right hand side, we click the little gear icon. And then about halfway down, you'll see the line that says access more options in advanced settings. And we just click advanced settings. Now that is a link that I will also include down in my description. And you can bypass having to do all this if you just click on that link. It'll take you right there. So here we can edit your account information. You can change your channel name, you can change your country, you can change your icon or your profile pic, add, delete, or change your channel keywords. You can disable or re-enable your interest-based ads. You can get to your link and AdWords account from here. You can decide whether to allow your channel to appear in other channels' recommendations or not. Here for subscriber counts, this is where you can display or not display the number of people subscribed to your channel. And this is where you would put in your Google Analytics property tracking ID. If you don't know what that is, you will need to do a Google search on Google Analytics. I will be doing a tutorial on this sometime in the coming months. And once you've made your changes, you just click on save, and then you can either click on return to YouTube Studio or you can close your tab. So that's it, folks. Pretty straightforward, even if a little buried. If you find this content useful, hit that like button. If you want to see more Fuzzee tutorials, please subscribe. If you want to know when new tutorials come out, please click that notification bell. Tune in next Wednesday for a new quick tip. Bye for now.